Dairymaster is one of the world's leading farm equipment manufacturers. Dairymaster's milking systems are installed in every continent in the world, from small family farms to large-scale industrial installations.
From we installed the Dairymaster parlour, I think we've actually got our lives back.
We're glad we went for it all because it's just taking the whole work out of milking cows.
We looked in America, we looked in Europe, we looked in Ireland. Dairymaster was always top of the list, no matter what we went to see.
The reason for Dairymaster's worldwide success is the company's resolute commitment to ongoing research and development. All of our equipment is designed for performance. We have pioneered advances in such areas as milking parlour equipment, automatic scrapers, automatic cow feeding systems and farm management computer packages. As a further testament to our technical expertise, Dairymaster are involved at the forefront of setting standards globally. At our manufacturing facility, we have departments for fabrication, electronic assembly, toolmaking, injection moulding, plus software and electronic development. Dairymaster's priority is to make the most efficient, robust, technologically advanced, automated milking equipment available, to make life easier for you and less stressful on the cow. Our objective is to make milking easy. Dairymaster's market share is growing substantially all over the world. This is due to our products' performance, our focus on research and development, and the innovation in our products. Here we see some of our product range.
Milking now takes about 2.5 hours from we're in to we're out again. Used to take in the old parlour with 100 cows less 4 hours.
The swift flow baling is without doubt one of the most beneficial aspects of the parlour. It really does speed milking up immensely.
When the operator is ready for milking, entering one function number into any milk meter will switch the plant from cleaning to milking mode. Just one of the many features of this plant is the Dairymaster Swift Flow Baling System. The Dairymaster Swift Flow Baling is the ultimate means of individual cow control, as it ensures that all cows line up for milking in the exact order in which they enter the plant. As the first cow moves into place at the end of the row, a gate swings around with her. This holds her in place and directs the next cow into the adjacent position. This is repeated until all cows are in place. When milking is complete, the baling system lifts clear of the cows, ensuring they have the optimum amount of space in order to make a rapid exit. As each cow enters the plant, the Auto ID reader identifies her. This works in conjunction with Voice Assist, Dairymaster's parlour sound system, and relays a sound message so that the operator hears any messages associated with each cow on entry to the plant, and again when the swing over arm is activated. See how quickly and safely the cows load into position due to the swift flow baling. This operator easily milks the herd with the help of labour-saving devices such as automatic cluster removers. Notice how efficiently the operator works. During milking, as the operator swings across the arms, the weigh all milk meter is automatically activated and feeding is initiated, taking the hard work out of milking. This not only saves valuable time for herd management, but allows one operator to manage large plants with ease. At the touch of a button, the operator can divert milk to a separate receiver. This can be used to divert milk effortlessly for calf rearing. One of the key benefits of swift flow milking systems is that it has a higher B-phase vacuum, which leads to quicker milking, and a lower D-phase vacuum, which results in healthier teats. Once milking is completed, the baling system lifts clear of the cows, allowing the maximum amount of space available for exiting in order to speed up unloading of cows.
We're on 200 cows and we're milking somewhere between 160 and 180 a day.
We used to milk similar to that before, but in about twice the time. Rapid exit, it's just amazing. Just cows are in and gone.
Another option within our milking solutions range is the Swift Flow Plus parlour. The Swift Flow Plus concept can be used in double-up or conventional Swift Flow parlours, where fast cow throughput, rapid entry and exiting is a priority. Cows stand at 80 degrees for good udder presentation and quick cluster attachment. The parlour is designed to enable the cow to stand closer to the pit edge, making the udder easily accessible for the operator. Clear access and swift flow baling ensures that cows enter the plant quickly and move into the correct milking position easily. Swift flow baling not only holds cows in position during milking, but creates good cow-to-cow contact, which provides a relaxed milking environment. Stall work is hot-dipped galvanised for a longer working life. When milking is complete, the baling system lifts up, leaving the cows a clear exit, which results in enhanced cow throughput. Cows walk forward simultaneously to exit, which ensures enhanced cow flow and speedier milking time. We also offer the option of the Swift Flow Plus with feeding, for those who want to feed in the parlour but maintain the cow flow and speed of the Swift Flow Plus parlour.
We can run 500 cows with very little staff, and it's all really down to the technology that is available today from Dairy Master.
We will milk my 700 cows in about 2 hours, which I think is great.
It's made a huge difference to labour. We've found it much easier to get staff with Dairy Master Parlour.
Cows enter eagerly through the entrance race, and as each cow passes the electronic reader, she is automatically identified by Dairy Master technology. Each cow is wearing a transponder ear tag, which registers with the computer as they pass the reader. Cow flow is at an optimum with the Dairy Master Swift Flow Revolver. This parlour is the result of over 4 decades of innovative technological research and development by Dairy Master. We have pioneered the latest in rotary parlours throughout the world due to the innovative design and extraordinary efficiency of our state-of-the-art Swift Flow Revolver. The rotary platform is manufactured in-house and is constructed from heavy gauge steel in individual sections and hot-dipped galvanised for maximum protection. Rest assured your cows are taking a safe trip on the Swift Flow Revolver. As over 95% of all parts are manufactured internally, we cater for your specific requirements with the Swift Flow Revolver, which is available from 30 points to 100 points. Our rotary system provides a stress-free environment for both you and your cows. As seen here, the cluster positioning arm holds the cluster in the optimum position behind the cow while milking. Our unique design means that shorter milking tubes are used, which reduces maintenance costs and improves milking characteristics. The operator easily moves the cluster arm into position behind the cow, thus ensuring proper alignment. Operator and cow comfort is of paramount importance to Dairy Master. Optimum udder presentation speeds up cluster attachment, and the operator milks with ease, speed and a minimum of stress. A double modular rump rail not only improves cow comfort and facilitates easier access for the operator, but also minimises the risk of the operator being kicked. Platform speed can be adjusted by the operator at any stage during the milking process. The majority of the equipment is located inside the rotary turntable, ensuring a longer working life and a cleaner, safer milking environment. At the centre of the revolver is the rotary gland. The gland body is constructed from stainless steel, and the electrical rings are constructed using an advanced engineering polymer. The gland allows vacuum, milk delivery, mains electricity, communications, water and compressed air through the centre point, keeping everything tidy and central. Other equipment inside the turntable includes the award-winning Weigh All milk meter. The meters are located in a clean, accessible environment at a convenient height for the milk recorder to ensure sampling is carried out as efficiently as possible. Each cow's milk yield is recorded using a unique weighing procedure for unrivaled accuracy. The milk recorder can easily view each cow's details from the Milk Manager computer program. Milk is pumped from the receiver vessel using the Dairy Master VeriFlow Plus, which optimizes milk pumping and cooling. Two unique features of the Swift Flow Revolver are the cow motivator and auto retention. Our intelligent software program, the Milk Manager, monitors cows on the platform and works in conjunction with the cow motivator to encourage forgetful cows to leave the platform when they've been milked. As the cow enters onto the platform, an auto-retention device drops into place behind the cow. The Milk Manager program checks a cow's yield and milking time against her normal statistics, and if outside user-defined limits, the retention device will retain the cow and send her back to the operator again. If a cow's statistics are as normal when the cow is fully milked, the auto-retention device lifts, and the automatic cluster remover removes the cluster gently away from the cow. As we can see here, cows easily reverse off the platform. Once milking is completed, the operator engages the auto washer. The auto washer commences a programmed wash cycle, consistently cleaning the milking plant. An air purge empties the milk line of residual milk before washing commences. The auto washer works in conjunction with Dairy Master jet streams positioned inside the rotary turntable. They push a quantity of water through the milk line at high speed, creating a bullet-like cleaning effect. Once the auto washer is engaged, the operator is free to leave the plant, as the system will automatically shut down when the washing cycle is completed. Here we see the receiver vessel of the Swift Flow Revolver as it is thoroughly cleaned. As well as the receiver vessel, milk meters also receive vigorous cleaning post-milking. Our AquaJet's wash system is very popular as it further enhances pit space in a Swift Flow parlour and provides effective sanitisation of clusters. The AquaJet's wash system is conveniently located underneath the cow standing.
Can be pre-drafted via computer or the milk meter or by the mobile phone.
People have said to me about drafting crates, how accurate are they? We find this very, very accurate.
Here we see Dairy Master integrated auto drafting at work. With Dairy Master auto drafting, you have a choice of drafting cows a multiple of different directions. The drafting crate is hot-dipped galvanised and is extremely heavy duty. All gates on the drafting unit are hinged on low-friction bearings. Saloon entry gates on the drafting unit provide accurate separation of animals. With Dairy Master robotic drafting, the selected route for individual cows can be selected from the parlour pit or pre-programmed before milking. Next, we look at Dairy Master automatic feeders. Dairy Master Feed-Right in-parlour feeders are a very precise and convenient way to feed cows in the parlour. Systems can be installed to support multiple feed types. The Dairy Master Feed-Right in-parlour feeders consist of a corrosion-resistant hopper, and the dispenser housing is manufactured from stainless steel. In-parlour feeding offers tremendous advantages to the dairy farmer, as it has been proven to increase cow flow, decrease milking time, and cater for the individual nutrition requirements of cows by feeding to yield, body weight or stage of lactation. We can supply both in-parlour and out-of-parlour feeding systems. Where Auto ID is used, feed quantities can be dispensed according to feed values entered on the Milk Manager program. Feeders can be placed either inside or outside the parlour wall, with either manual or automatic setups available, depending on which option is best suited to your needs. Perhaps the most interesting feature, which is unique to Dairy Master, is that we offer the option of appetizer feeding. With appetizer feeding, a cow is encouraged to enter the parlour quickly by releasing a small amount of feed as a cow enters the parlour, and then releasing the remaining feed as the cluster is attached. This improves cow temperament, as they are more relaxed and content during milking. Dairy Master design, manufacture and deliver automatic scraper systems to dairy, cattle, pig and mushroom farms throughout the world. We're acknowledged for unequalled standards in reliability and adaptability. The Dairy Master track type system is very low maintenance and exceptionally easy to operate and control. Our highly acclaimed automatic scrapers operate using a hydraulic ram-based system. The extra weight in the Dairy Master saddle ensures a better scrape with each cycle. The power unit has been designed for a long and trouble-free life. It is designed to control up to 8 passages. There is a choice of digital or analog control, depending on customer requirements. Our double ratchet mechanism eliminates false tripping and allows wider and longer passages to be cleaned. Although designed for daily operation, any passageway can be given individual attention, an extra scrape for instance, or stopped completely without affecting the other passageways. There is a range of heavy-duty scraper saddles available to suit the needs of all types of passages. The Dairy Master shuttle scraper automatically transports slurry from passage scrapers direct to a lagoon or tower storage tank. Tractor scraping work is virtually eliminated. As cow numbers are increasing and buildings are getting larger, you need a scraper that is robust, strong and efficient. Think Dairy Master. Here we see some of Dairy Master's range of backing gates. During the milking cycle, a Dairy Master scraper backing gate was at work behind the scenes, ensuring that cows were automatically advancing into the parlour. The scraper backing gate integrates our automatic scraper system and an advancement gate. Cleaning can be configured to clean in either forward or reverse directions. Backing gates can be configured to advance after a predetermined number of cows are identified, leaving the operator free to concentrate on milking while ensuring good cow flow is achieved and the collecting yard is being cleaned while he is milking. The up and over backing gate is another option in our range. This gate is ideal when milking groups of cows. When the gate is fully advanced, the operator may at the touch of a button easily lift the backing gate up and over a second group of cows. The gate is then lowered behind the group, ready for